Your brain isn't fixed. It's a living, changing network of possibilities. Every thought you think, every action you take, and every habit you build literally reshapes your brain through a process called neuroplasticity. That means you're not stuck with the mindset you were born with. You can rewire your brain to think differently, feel differently, and live differently. Growth doesn't just happen by learning new information. It happens when you consistently apply that information over and over until it becomes part of who you are. Rewiring your brain begins with awareness. You need to catch the limiting thoughts you repeat daily, the quiet ones that say, I can't, I'm not enough, or what's the point? Those thoughts are like worn-out roads in your mind. But each time you choose a new thought, one that empowers you, you begin paving a new path. At first it feels uncomfortable. That's normal. Change always starts with resistance. But if you keep showing up, if you keep choosing growth, those new paths become stronger. Eventually they become your default. You rewire your brain by changing what you focus on, what you tell yourself, and what you do repeatedly. Visualization, journaling, affirmations, focused learning, and even meditation are tools that help accelerate this rewiring. But none of them work without consistent action. It's the doing that rewires the brain, not just the knowing. Your brain adapts to what you feed it. Feed it doubt, and it will shrink. Feed it courage, and it will grow. This is why mindset is everything. You're not trying to become someone new. You're training your brain to support the best version of who you already are. So be patient, stay consistent, because the more you grow your brain, the more your life will follow.